Part of what has made TikTok so appealing as a social app is how easy it is to use. From scrolling through videos in your feed to editing your own content, TikTok manages to keep things fairly simple and intuitive. Of course, once you know the basics of creating a TikTok, learning more advanced techniques is a must for success. If you've been scrolling through your feed recently, you might be wondering how some users manage to have text flash in and out of their videos. Here's how to add text at different times on TikTok videos. To start, open up TikTok and record your video as usual. Once you've recorded your initial video, tap on the text icon in the bottom corner to add text. Type out and edit what you want to say, then tap done when you're finished. You can reposition where your text shows up on the screen by tapping and dragging it into position. To set when it appears and disappears, just tap on your text and select duration. From here, you can set how long your text will appear on screen by dragging the end of the red bar from the end of the video. Your text will need to appear on screen for at least 1 second, so keep that in mind before you start editing. To set when it appears and disappears, tap and hold on the center of the red bar to drag it into position on the timeline. You can preview how this looks by tapping on the white play icon above it. Once you're satisfied, tap on the checkmark icon in the lower right corner to continue back to the editing page. You can repeat this process to set multiple types of text that appear and disappear whenever you choose. If you want to reposition or edit the duration of text that you've already edited, just tap on the text when it appears. If you want the text to read something else, tap on and drag the text to the trash icon that appears at the top of the screen to start over. Once you're satisfied with how everything plays out in your video, tap on Post to share your video. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.